In the hallowed halls of my study, surrounded by books that span the ages, I pen down the day's contemplations in what I fondly refer to as the professor's diaries. Today, my thoughts meander through the enigmatic corridors of the human mind and its tantalizing dance with the realm of belief, a journey into the placebo effect. The mystical mechanics of the placebo effect, bridging consciousness with quantum realities. In the endlessly fascinating landscape of human health and consciousness, the placebo effect towers as a magnificent enigma, a phenomenon where belief becomes potent enough to mimic the effects of actual medication, suggesting a profound connection between mind and body. Beyond its medical curiosity, the placebo effect holds clues to the interconnected realms of brain dynamics, mystical pineal gland associations, and the cutting-edge theories of quantum physics. This exploration delves into how these elements converge, revealing insights into the universe within us. The power of belief, unlocking the placebo effect. At its core, the placebo effect is a testament to the power of belief. When individuals are administered treatments that they think are real, albeit being mere sugar pills or injections of saline, they often undergo significant health improvements. This phenomenon isn't just about tricking the mind, it's an illuminating insight into how our expectations and beliefs can physically alter our state of being. Dance of the brain hemispheres. To understand how belief influences our physiological states, it's essential to appreciate the roles of our brain's hemispheres. The left hemisphere, practical and analytical, dissects the world into comprehensible pieces. Contrastingly, the right hemisphere embraces the world holistically, thriving on intuition and creativity. This division marks a fascinating dance when it comes to the placebo effect, the right brain's capacity for belief and the left brain's acceptance that treatment is being received collaborate, triggering real biological outcomes. The pineal gland and the third eye connection. Venturing deeper into the brain, the pineal gland, a small, pinecone-shaped organ, stands as a sentinel of mystery and potential. Historically symbolized as the third eye, it's regarded as a bridge to higher states of consciousness. In the context of the placebo effect, the pineal gland represents a theoretical gateway through which our beliefs and meditative states could influence our physical health, suggesting that our spiritual or psychological states might have tangible physiological effects. Quantum physics and the observer effect. The realms of quantum physics introduce a startling principle, the observer effect, wherein the act of observation can influence the outcome. This principle resonates deeply with the essence of the placebo effect. If consciousness can affect the behavior of particles at a quantum level, then the belief inherent in the placebo effect might similarly influence the physical realities of our health. This interconnection points to a universe more intricately bound by consciousness than previously imagined. Synthesis. From brain to universe. Combining these elements, the dynamic interplay of our brain's hemispheres, the pineal gland's mystical potential, and the quantum realms influenced by consciousness, we begin to perceive a pattern. The placebo effect emerges not merely as a curiosity within medical science but as a key to understanding the profound connections between our consciousness and the physical world. It underscores not just a psychological or biological phenomenon but a deeply spiritual and universal one. The journey through the mystical mechanics of the placebo effect brings us to the precipice of a profound realization: our beliefs hold the power to shape our reality. As I close today's entry in the Professor's Diaries, I am reminded that the universe within us is as vast and mysterious as the cosmos outside. The lines between the observer and the observed blur, weaving a spell of interconnectedness that binds us to the very essence of existence. In these written reflections, I chase the flickering candle of understanding through the shadowed halls of mystery, until we meet again in these pages of Professor's Diaries, with a touch of introspective and narrative flair that complements the exploration of the fascinating and mystical journey through consciousness, belief, and the placebo effect.